On a weekend this past September, when rain was threatening to make good on that old parade euphemism, we drove from Virginia to Pennsylvania to be vendors at the Fall Festival at Bonnie's Greenhouse.
I am in Pennsylvania right now at my niece, it's Casey's niece, April, has greenhouses, and she's having a huge event today, and I'm going to be painting here.
Our first real tour of April's greenhouses was about 2 years ago. In the middle of winter, she took us on a grand tour of her amazing property. What a difference between December's sleepy colors and the blaze of color in the fall. I've mixed in some video from our first tour, and you can see for yourself how Bonnie's greenhouse is transformed for the Fall Festival, as I know it is all through the growing season.
I'm so close to this. Look, here I am, and there's going to be live music today in this area, and there's food. Oh my goodness, it smells so good.
How you doing?
Hello, fine. How are you?
Good.
My name's Debbie.
I know who you are, young lady.
That's right.
I'm April's
you're
husband.
Raymond.
Yes. So how long will that take you to complete that?
A couple hours, maybe.
Really?
Yeah, maybe not even that much.
It'll look like
It's gonna look like that.
Well,
Well, see, right now I don't. I mean, I can see that that's what it is. But
Yeah.
It's not near that yet.
not yet. I just started.
But it will. It'll get close to that.
It'll get close.
The cat in the picture.
Is the wet in the picture?
The cat.
You know, I did take a picture of the cat. I could maybe add it sleeping
Yeah,
here.
because it's always in where that is.
Is that right?
It would always be underneath the bench.
Yes. That's
I
right.
did it at school before a
You
few
did?
times.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I made pumpkins and
I'm gonna try to get a burner.
piece of
Okay, go
pie.
ahead.
A pie before.
You made a pumpkin and a piece of pie. I love that. That must have been fun.
It's messy.
Is it messy? So what did you do with it? You only kept it for a short time?
Yeah. We didn't keep it like in our house. We just kept it like outside because we have ducks and stuff.
Oh.
So we had to keep the ducks kind of away from it. But-
What would the ducks do?
The ducks were scared of it.
Oh, that's
We just
interesting.
we kept it in a pool that we had.
Yeah.
We had a duck pool, so
Oh.
it's just one of those little kiddie pools.
Uh-huh.
We kept it in that like Bonnie did. It will come real close to you and just rub all over you.
Yeah. Isn't that the funniest thing?
Usually cats are scared of people.
Oh, I love cats. And then look over here. Yesterday I came out here and took pictures and video of all these animals.
That's Hank Williams, and he's bad to the bone. And look at his horn. Hanky
What are
Panky.
you trying to do? Don't get my shirt. Are you scratching your head? nice. Yeah, be nice. Oh. What? That one's a little bit questionable. That's the cutest thing. She just has so many goats, and they're all so friendly. Hi there. And they probably eat my sleeve in the camera if I let them. Alpacas. Look it. You have a wild-eyed look at us.
Wasn't she? Or Keith. But she makes the cutest baby. Her baby's 2 over. If you look through the barn, you might see Bubba.
Oh, yeah.
Daddy-o. But we, I have an Amish guy that comes and shears every May.
No
I shear
kidding,
all them
okay.
and all my sheep.
Oh, wow. And you have some emus.
I have 2 emu females, so I used
Whoa.
to get, I have not got 1 egg in 2 years.
Oh, my goodness. They're black, right?
They're green, dark
They're green.
But I'll show you
Like about that big?
like 1 pound.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello.
So they will grab your
Yeah,
GoPro. Okay?
yeah.
Just so you know, anything shiny, they'll eat a rock, they'll eat a piece of glass. This is Kramer. That's Cody. This is because of the hair.
Oh, he does look like she does like Kramer.
She's our original Kramer. But
There are, I think, 4 giant greenhouses. Oh, and this is worth seeing. Look at all the vendors that are set up here. And I'll go in through the back door back to where I'm set up. It's threatening rain today. We may get away with not having any. Fortunately, I'm indoors. I'm gonna paint something from here today. Hopefully more than one. But doesn't this look great? And it's just so colorful, and I just love this the front of this greenhouse is so beautiful. And then you go around here, and here's where I am set up, in here.
but there's 4 original. My dad's work. All this wood is my dad.
Really? Wow.
My dad. Yep. We just replace plastic every 5 years.
Yeah. Wow.
So this is 2 stories of love.
Really? What do you think?
Casey pointed this out to me. The security guard for the property is right over here. Isn't that neat? This is funny. What a spot. The pond and the little ponies and the donkeys. I have to go back and try to get this goat from a different angle. He's so timid. He's not gonna stay. So, the back lot of the nursery, even that looks fun and interesting. Look at that, man.
Hey, sweetie.
Hey!
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
That looks good.
Thank you.
You just do that.
I just did it. Just today.
Well, I'm going to buy something off you. I got your other one, that little card hanging.
Oh, good.
I still have that.
Good. Well,
Yeah, that looks really
I sure
good.
had some good subject matter to
Oh,
paint,
my,
didn't
yes.
I? Yes, it's so beautiful. Look at
I cut them boards and built them.
You did?
Sure.
Wow.
I built every one of these greenhouses.
Wow.
Well, 4 of them I built.
Yeah.
So, in between the raindrops, people and animals skittered about, not letting old sayings have their way. We talked and laughed, hugged family and met new friends, listened to some upbeat music and sampled tasty foods. I photographed and painted, and now it was time to head for home. You can't be satisfied with just one visit to a wonderful place like Bonnie's greenhouse. I know we will be back, as I suspect if you have been fortunate enough to have come once, you will be back too.